My name is Tazib sir, and today what we are learning today, all students. Today we are starting the exercise. Okay, but first of all, we are see here the today's thought, and they start by the new thing or new thoughts. So students, let's see here the what is the today's thought. We are checking here the today's thought. So now let's check what is today's thoughts. So students, today's thought I am here given you a new thought. Change your life today, don't gamble on the future. Act now without delay. It means what? Change your life, don't be a gamble. Okay, and on the future. But where? When? Okay, but when? On the future. Act now without delay. Okay, we perform the change your life now without delay. Without delay means what? We are don't do the late. Okay, we are don't do the late. So today's thought is, again I am reading here, change your life today and don't gamble. Okay, on the future. Act now without delay. Understood, students? So now let's check what we are done, students. Yesterday means last session. What we are done in the last session? So we are done the revision of regrouping, revision, and what we are doing, exercise number third B, regrouping the tens, and question number 1 also we have done yesterday. Okay, students. So that's why what I am telling you, again we are do the revision. Okay, I think you all are know the what is the regrouping. Okay, I think mostly 2 days we are learning the what we are learning. All students, we are learn the what is the regrouping. Okay, so I hope you very well know what is the regrouping, and yesterday already we have done the regroup the tens, all students. So then after we are starting the new topic, but again we are revise here the all things. Revision, exercise third B, question number 1, also regroup the tens. Understood? So now let's we move on the further sessions. Okay, what is the today's content? Okay, we have to do something, we have a aim in mind, what we are learning today, what we are going to learn today. Okay, and today I am going to teach you exercise number third B. Also yesterday what we have done, question number 1. So today question number 2, regroup the hundreds. Which question, students? Regroup the hundreds. Which question? Regroup the hundreds. Okay, yesterday we have done the regroup the tens. Once is already we have learned this question. Which question? Regroup the ones. We have done in exercise number third A, but in exercise number third B we learn the question number 2 and this topic, regroup the hundreds. Understood? So now students, question number 3. Okay, first of all we learn the question number 2, regroup the hundreds, and then now mixed question. Mixed question means what here? Question number 3, regroup the both tens and hundreds. What is the meaning of regroup the both and tens and hundreds? Okay, it means a regroup. We have what we have performed first, tens and hundreds, both are separate question, and now both separate question is coming the with together. Okay, regroup the both tens and hundreds. Understood, all students? So now today we are going to learn regroup the both tens and hundred, both tens and hundreds. Understood? And first we are going to learn regroup the hundreds. So students, we are starting the exercise number third B, question number 2. Okay, exercise, and students, we are starting here the exercise number third B. Exercise number third B, question number 2, regroup the hundreds. What? Regroup the hundred. So students, let's start here the we are checking the what is regroup the hundreds. Okay, so now question number first. Question number first is what? 732. 732 minus 541, which 541. Okay, so now we are do here the one by one all sum. Okay, so I am doing here the my sum. So students, 732 minus 541. Understood? So 2 minus 1, is this possible? 2 minus 1, is this possible here? Yes, 2 minus 1. 2 is a small number, 1 is a bigger number. So 2 minus 1. So how many? 1. Okay, 2 minus 1. So how many? 1. Then after 3 minus 4. Is this possible? No, because of 3 is a small number and 4 is a high number. So that's why we cannot remove from 3 to 4. Okay, it's opposite digits there, 4 minus 3. So we are doing obviously. But here 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 3 minus 4 we are not performing, we are not doing. Understood? So 3 minus 4, is this not possible? Understood? So what we are doing there, we are taking the borrow. So I'll put a 10. Okay, 10 plus this 3, 10 plus this 3. So 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4, students, we do with your fingers. 13 minus 4. So how many left? 9. Okay, then we are cut the further digit, then we are what, cut this digit 7 and put the small digit, means we are put which digit? 6. Okay, and 6 minus 5, 6 minus 5. So how many, students? 1. Understood? Now question number B. Question number B is what? 916. How many? 916 minus 354. 916 minus 354. So now we are do the solve the sum. 6 minus 4, is this possible? Yes, because of 6 is a large number, means the highest number, and 4 is a small number. So 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. So how many? Save 2. How many? 2. So answer is what here? 2. Okay, and here 1 minus 5. Is this not possible? Because of 1 is a small number and 5 is a big number. That's why. So what we are doing, we are taking the borrow. 10 plus, we are at this number. 10 plus 1. How many? 11. 10 plus 1. How many? 11. 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5. How many? 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5. So 6 is left. Okay, and then what we are doing, students, we are cut the digit. I am cut this digit 9 and then put the small digit. So 8. 8 minus 3. We are do with your fingers, students. 8 minus 3. So how many left? 8 minus 3. So 5. So students, we are put here the 5. Okay, so our first sum is done and second sum. And what is the answer is coming of second sum? Question number B, 562. Understood? So now we are move on the question number C. So question number C is what? 758 minus 163. 758 minus 163. 758 minus 117. 3. Okay, so students, we are solve here the question. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. So how many, students? 8 minus 3. 5. How many? 5. 8 minus 5, because of 8 is a high and 3 is a small. So we are easily remove 8 minus 3. So how many left? 5. Okay, and then here 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6, is this possible? No. So what we are doing, is this not possible? So 5 minus 6, is this not possible? So what I am doing, that I am doing, take the borrow. Okay, so 10 plus 5. So how many I am wrote here? 15. Okay, 15 minus 6. So students, left the 15 minus, okay, 50, do the 15 minus 6 with your finger. So how many left? 9. Understood? 15 minus 6. So how many? 9. Then after, students, what we are doing, we are do the cut the further digit. What we are do, we are do the cut the further digit. So I am cutting further digit 7 and put the small digit 6. Okay, so 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1. So how many left? 5. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1. How many? 5. Okay, so answer is what coming here, students? 595 is our answer. Understood? I hope you understood betterly, all students. Okay, and then now we are move on question number D. Okay, so question number D is what? 580 minus 396. 580 minus 396. So first of all we do the what here? The last two digit. 8 minus 6. 8 minus, is this possible? Yes. So 8 minus 6. So how many left? 2. And then 1 minus 9. 1 minus 9, is this possible? No. So what we are doing? 1 minus 9, is this possible? No. So 1 minus 9, is this not possible? Okay, so 10 we are taking there borrow. 10 plus this 1. Okay, so 11 minus 9. So you students, all students, do with your fingers 11 minus 2. Sorry, 11 minus 9. So answer is what come? 2. Okay, 11 minus 9. So answer is 2. Then further 5 minus and then what we are doing here, students? We are doing here the cut the 5 and put the small digit. Cut the 5 and put the small digit. 5 cut and put, I am here wrote a 4 digit. Okay, so 4 minus 3. So students, do with your fingers. 4 minus 3. So how many left? 1. So answer is what come here, students? 122. What? 122. Again I am revising. Do again we students, we are do here the second time the revision. Okay, now so attention here, all students. 758 minus 163. What? 758 minus 173. 758 minus 163. So 8 minus 3, how many? 5. 8 minus 3, how many? 5. And then 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6, is this possible? No. So there what is? Borrow. So I am taking here the borrow. 10 plus 5. 15 minus this 6. So 15 minus 6. So how many left, students? 9. Okay, how many, students? How many left? 9. Then what we are doing? Cut the further digit and put the small digit. I am cutting here 7 and write the 6, and 6 minus 1. So 5. So answer is what coming, students? 595. Okay, it is your question number C. Here is done. And now we move again question number D. So what is the question? Question number 5. Sorry, question number D. 518 minus 396. What? 518 minus 396. So we are do here. Let's solve the sum. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6. How many, students? 2. 8 minus 6. How many? 2. And here we are put the what? Here what we are putting? Borrow, because of 1 minus 9. Is this not possible? Because of 1 is a small and 9 is the highest large number. That's why. So what we are doing here, students? We are do here the borrow. So I am taking here the borrow. 10. Put the 10 and 10 plus this 1. So 10 plus 1, it means 11. 11 minus 9. 11 minus 9. Do with your fingers, all students. So how many answer? How many left? 2. Okay, 2. And then I'll cut the further digit and put the small digit. 5. Cut and put the 4. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. So how many left, students? 1. So this is your question number D is done, students, here, and answer is what come? 122 is this your answer. Okay, so now students, let's check the further sums. Okay, question number E. Question number E is what? 964. 964 minus 192. What, students? 964 minus 192. 964 minus 192. Okay, so now we do here 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. How many, students? 2. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 we are remove easily with do with your fingers, all students. So answer is what come? 2. Okay, and 6 minus 9, is this possible? No, because of 6 is what? 6 is the small number there and 9 is a large number. Is this not possible? So what we are doing, that's why I am taking the borrow. So 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6, how many? 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6, 16, and 16 minus this 9. So students, do with your finger. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9. So how many, all students? 7. How many? 7. Then what we are doing? We are cut the further digit. So we are cut the further digit. I am cutting here the further digit 9 and put the 8. So 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1. So how many, students? Do with your fingers. 7, obviously. So answer is what come here? 772. What? 772. Okay, now this is your question number E is done, and now let's move on. Question number F. What is the question number F? 788. What? 788 minus 294. What? 788 minus 294. Okay, so now answer is what coming here, students? 800. Sorry, 800 not, but 8 minus 4. By mistake I am spoke. Okay, 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. So how many left, students? 4. Do with your fingers. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. So how many? 4. Okay, and then now here 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9. Is this possible? No. Why it's not possible? Because of 8 is a small and 9 is a large number, big number. That's why. So I am taking here the put the borrow, and what? 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8. So how many? 18. 18 minus 9. So answer is what come, all students? 9. 18 minus 9. So answer is what coming here? 9. Understood? And then further digit, what we are doing? Cut the numbers. What? We are cut the numbers and put this small number. Okay, so 7 cut and put the I am here 6. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. Is this possible? Yes. So 6 minus 2. So how many, students? 4. So answer is what come here? 494. 494. Is this your answer? Understood? Now let's move on further question. Okay, so further question is what? G. Okay, so now let's do here the question number G. 577. What? 577 minus 186. What? Minus 186. So students, let's start here, solve the question. Sums. 7 minus 6. Is this possible? Yes, because of 7 is a big number and 6 is a small number. So 7 minus 6. How many left? 1. Okay, and here, students, further 7 minus 8. 7 minus 8. Is this possible? Yes or no? No, is this not possible? So 7 minus 8. Is this not possible? So what we are doing? We are do here the take the borrow. So I am taking here the borrow. 10 plus this 10 plus this 7. So 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8. So how many students? 9. 17 minus 8. So how many left? 17 minus 8. So 9. 9 is our answer. Okay. And now what we are doing? We are cut the further digit and then put the small digit. I am cut here the 5 and put the 4. The 4 minus 1. So how many come? 3. So answer is what comes, students? 391. Okay. And then now we move on the question number H. Question number H is what, students? Question number H is 538. 538 minus 187. 538 minus 187. Understood, all students? 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7. So how many left? 1. And then now put 3. Now 3 minus 8 we do. So 3 minus 8. Is this possible? No. So what we are do? We are taking the borrow. So 10 plus this 3. 10 plus this 3. Okay. So 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8. How many? 13 minus 8. So 5. So answer is what come? 5. Okay. And then further we are taking that borrow. So we are cut the further digits. So I am cut here the 5 and put the small digit. Okay. So 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. So answer is what come? 3. So answer is what? 351. Okay, students, is this your question number 2? What is this your question number 2? Now students, your question number 2 is finished. What? Regroup the hundreds. So now students, we are move on the exercise number 3rd B in further question number 3. We have done now question number 2. Yesterday we have done the question number 1. Today we have done question number 2, and now let's check here the question number 3. What is the question number 3? Already I was told you, regroup both. What both means? Tens and hundreds. What? Regroup both means tens place and 100 place. So now let's see here the question. 926 minus 389. Understood, all student? So 6 minus 9, is this possible? No. So put the borrow, and the 10 plus 6. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9. So how many come? 7. Okay. 16 minus 9. So answer is what come? 7. Okay. And further we cut the digit 2 and I'll put the 1. Okay. What I am putting here? Only a 1. But 1 minus 8, it's not possible. So again I am taking borrow and put the 10. 10 plus this one. So 11. 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8. So how many left? 3. Okay. And then further again we have cut the number and put the small number. 8. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. So how many students? 5. Okay. And answer is what come? 537. Now students, we see here the question number B. Question number B is what? 841. 841 minus 588. 841 minus 588. So 1 minus 8, is this possible? No. So 1 minus 8 is not possible. So what I am taking? I am taking there a borrow. So put the 10. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. So 11. 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8. So 3. 11 minus 8. So how many left? 3. Then cut the further digit 4 and put the 3 here. 3. Okay. And 3 minus 8. It's possible? No. So what I am taking here again? Borrow. So 10 plus this 3. So 13. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8. So how many students? 5. And again we are put the cross, means cut the digit and put the small digit. 7. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. So how many students come? 2. So answer is what? 253 is your answer. Okay. Now let's check the question number C. Question number C is what? 415. 415. 415 minus 117. 8. Okay. So one by one where check here the answer. Okay, all students. So let's check here the answer. 5 minus 8. Is this possible? 5 minus 8. No. No. So what I am taking here, the borrow. 10 plus this 5. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8. So how many students? 7. Okay, and then cut the further digit. So what I am cutting here, 1, and put the 0. Okay, so 0 minus 7 not possible. So what I am taking here, borrow. 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7. So how many? 3. 10 minus 7. How many? 3. Okay, and then further, what students cut the again for the digit, because of we are taking here the borrow. So cut numbers and put the small number. 3 minus 1. So what come here? 2. Okay, the answer is what? 237. Now question number D. 762 minus 76. Okay, students, we question number D is which? Tens. What? All sums are of 100, but this sum is a 10 sum. Okay, 762 minus 76. Okay, so 2 minus 6, is this possible? No. So I am taking the borrow. 10 plus this 2. Okay, so 10 plus 2. So how many? 12. 12 minus 6. So how many left, students? 6. I hope you understood betterly, all students. Okay, and you can do betterly in your fair book with me. Okay, all students. Then after 6 minus 7, is this not possible? Again, so I am cut 6 because of I am taking here the borrow. So cut the number, put the 5. 6 to which number? Small 5. And again 5 minus 7, is this not possible? So I am taking the borrow. 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7. So answer is what come? 8. And again we are cut the further digit 7 and cut the 7 digit and put the small digit 6. 6 minus 0. So 6 minus 0. So as it is 6. So answer is what comes, students? 686. Okay. Now let's move on. Question number E. 931 minus 289. 931 minus 289. 1 minus 9. 1 minus 9. Is this possible? No. So I am taking here the borrow. 10 plus this 1. 10 plus 1. How many? 11. 11 minus 9. 11 minus 9. So how many comes, students? 3. Okay, and then cut the further digit 3 and put the small digit 2. Okay, so 2 minus 8, is possible? No. So I am taking the borrow. 10 plus 2. 12. 10 plus 2. How many? 12. 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8. How many, students? 4. Okay, and further we are again cut the number and put the small number. 8 minus 2. So how many students come? 6. The answer is what come? 643. Understood? Then question number F. 412 minus 236. So 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6. So is this not possible? So what I am taking here? Borrow. 10. 10 plus this 2. 12. 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6. So how many, students? 6. Understood? And now here is 1. Why? Here is 1. 1 too small. Put the cut. Okay. Put the cut. Put the small digit. 1 too small is what? 0. 0 minus 3. Is this not possible? So again I am taking the borrow. 10. 10 minus 3. So how many left? 7. And again cut the further digit 4 and put the small. 3 minus 2. So how many left? 1. Okay, students. Now last two sum of this exercise. This exercise means this question. 564 minus 185. 564 minus 184. 4 minus 5. Is this not possible? So I am taking the borrow. 10 plus 4. 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5. So how many comes? 9. Okay, and then further digit I am cut and put the small 5. 5 minus 8. Possible? Is this not possible? So what I am doing here, is this not possible? So what I am doing here, take the borrow. 10 plus 5. So 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8. So how many, students? 15 minus 8. So 7. And again what we are doing, cut the numbers and put this small number 5. So cut and put the 4 numbers. Okay, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. So how many students? 3. So answer is what? 379. And last one, last but not least. But yesterday we are tomorrow we are complete our exercise. Question number 4. Okay, question number is 543. 543 minus 378. Okay, so answer is what? Come here, we are, let's check 3 minus 8. Is this possible? No. So I am taking the borrow. 10 plus this 3, 13 minus 8, 13 minus 8. So 13 minus 8, 13 minus 8, 13 minus 8, so 5. Answer is what? 5. Again we cut the further number and put the small number. 3 minus 7, not possible. So put the borrow. 10 plus 3, 13 minus 7, 13 minus 7, how many? 6. Understood? And further again cut the digit 5 and put the 4. 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, how many students? 1. Okay, I think you all are do with me in your book. Okay, today's your homework is what, students? You have to write a question number 2 and question number 3 in your fair book. Okay, all students, thank you so much, all students. Thank you so much.